Hey guys, if you want to share your Wyze camera to another account, is that here is what you should need to do. So in your Wyze app, you should first tap account, which is the account right here. Next is go to sharing. Or device sharing. So this is what it should look like. Next is that again in the Waze app, tap on the device you should share. So after pressing devices sharing, it would lead you to this right here, and this is the list of all the cameras that you've got. So let's say for instance you want to choose the garage one that you want to share with your family or trusted colleague. So just tap add a share, then it will lead you to this site right here, which you will enter the account you want to share with. So you just need to input the email address of that certain person who you want to share your account with. And that is pretty much all. So the details for this is that you just need to go to the support.wise.com. It would have a lot of important discussion about this certain problem. But that's basically the steps that you want or you will um imply in applying or adding a account in Wise Camera.